these guys. Installing small cells in the new 5G network. They're just doing their job. The smart grid 5G agenda is to get every lamp pole, light, everything, doesn't matter. Whatever they can stick a small cell on, they're going to do it. And they'll be near hospitals, near schools where kids are, just radiating the environment. And these guys, hey, they don't care. They're getting a paycheck. Good job, guys. Way to radiate, everyone. Nice radiation. Way to add to your community. Good job, guys. Just doing your job, right? Get that money. Radiation, not a baby. You know what those are, right? You know what those are? 5G radiation, man. Do you know how much radiation those things spew out? What are you doing? Huh? I know, but when it's on, dude, it's going to be spewing radiation 24/7. I'm with myself. Good for you. You guys proud of yourselves? You're harming your community, man. For a paycheck. Do you know how much radiation pumps out of those? Look up 5G. Do you know how much radiation's in there? Get a new job, dude. You're not helping anyone. You're radiating your fucking community. You're radiating your community. People get cancer. It's your fault. People get cancer. It's your fault. Fucking assholes.